holes here. And I noticed the head of the thing's smaller than the other one. So we're good. And it clears. Let me just make sure it moves smooth. So this right here, we're having clearance problems where I'm pointing. Now it clears where it's supposed to move. This side over here, where I'm pointing a screwdriver, we are gonna put the ground, and it goes to this piece, this plate where I'm pointing to there. It's important to have a ground because this thing won't operate right. Okay. Okay, this will work. Let me just like work it in there. Okay, that will work. Don't lose that. And then we're gonna focus that round. I just have it right there. And we're gonna put a bolt. Okay. Alright. That took us a second, but we're back on track. Slap this shit in. Boop. Okay, that's gonna go there, and then I got this. We put that on. Put that on there, and that clip goes back on, but it's not just this second. Usually, what I do with this too, a little pointer, is I pull it out, I hold it like this, right? Put a screwdriver behind the portion and give it a little bend down, like so. That will keep tension on this, on top of having the clip as well.
Oh shit.
So that way it's not gonna fall off, you feel me?
No.
It's bulletproof.
Nice.
And we just, you can see it's got down tension on it, you know?
No.